Well, I'm going to show you how to make some homemade marmalade. I'm going to use dried mango fruit slices, and I fill up about a cup of these dried mangoes. Now, you can use peaches, dried apricot. And we're just going to start cutting it in small pieces, but it doesn't have to be that small. That's small enough. You don't even have to cut it that small. Very good source of vitamin A. And I do a whole program on vitamin A. So I've got my 1 cup of dried mango. My next product is dates. So these dried dates, and I like fresh dates. I don't like to get them already cut up because they add sugar to them. I mean, I could eat the whole package. And I'm gonna do the same thing, a cup of them. That's about good. So, that's my base for my marmalade. All right, we cut up about a cup of the dates and a cup of the dried mangoes. Dates are a good source of fiber, potassium, and they are very important because they are a rich source of antioxidants. About a cup, almost a cup and a half of apple juice. You can use pineapple juice, you can use mango juice, but I'm going with a cup and a half of apple juice. And I've got it on medium heat, and then I'll just add my dried fruit to the apple juice. It's good. And for about 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes or so, until the fruit softens. About a tablespoon of orange juice. You can do lemon juice, about a tablespoon or so of lemon juice, but I'm going to do orange juice. I'm actually adding about a couple of tablespoons of orange juice. Okay, didn't take long. It's boiling. And I'm just testing to see if it's soft. Put it on low, let it cook a little bit more. And now I'm going to just put my fruit in the blender. That's all right. Yes, indeed. And it smells so good. And now I'm going to and I've got a jar that I've already made some, and I'm going to add the rest to it. My mango marmalade. How about that? Homemade mango marmalade. I've just let it cool, put it in the refrigerator, and then you add it to anything you want to add it to. Now you want to get fancy. This is a real heirloom. This is an antique, really nice. You can have it on the table for breakfast, brunch, dinner, and instead of bringing out this jar, I added mango marmalade. And I'll tell you, it's really simple. It's nothing like homemade marmalade. You know, we made the mango marmalade, but once again, you could do peach marmalade. Apricot marmalade is very good too. And no sugar. That's what I like about it. Now, I put mine in this little antique heirloom that I have. It looks so nice. Set it on the table. Every biscuit, every slice of toast needs this marmalade. Anyway, this is great. I'm Das. I'm out. But I look forward to seeing you next show.